Guys, Jay from Thundercat Loft. Another pigeon today I want to show off. This is another newer edition I have that I got in about a month and a half ago. This is my pencil cockbird that I have. You can see his last three primaries line up perfectly in a row. I don't know if you can see that there. The older ones look a little messed up, or still look pretty nice. Nice wing on them. I'll show you this way. You see his secondaries are pretty thick too and long, but a nice pencil cock. Got some nice coloration in his wing there, a little red tint, and nice one-pin tail, very nice one-pin tail, and he just sits perfectly in your hand. He's a little on the medium-large side. Definitely one of my larger bird, but not too large that I don't like him. He's like a nice, perfect size. You can see his tail just sits perfectly down. You see that? His tail just goes straight down here. I always like when the pigeons do that. But a beautiful pencil coloration to him. I wasn't even sure what a pencil was up until a month ago, and now that I have this guy, I don't think I can mistake it again. Very similar to a check, but it's a different pattern. I know there's a guy on YouTube that goes through all the genetics, and I just you know, I love the pigeons, but it kind of goes in one ear. It goes in one ear and out the other. So here's the bird's eye. Nice yellow red eye. But that's it, guys. Just a quick update. Thanks for watching.